The cartilage punch will be delivered disassembled in its instrument tray. To assemble the cartilage punch, place the spring feather onto the medium-sized part, the outline punch. Then place the smallest part, the center hole punch, onto the medium piece and spring feather. Now place the harvested cartilage onto the cutting board. We recommend to previously prepare the cartilage slice with the Kurz precise cartilage knife in order to have an evenly thick piece. Take the assembled cartilage punch and place it onto the piece of cartilage. Make sure to hold the punch on the bottom piece. In a swivel movement, punch out the outer shape of the cartilage shoe. Once the outer shape has been produced, hold the punch in position and push down the upper part of the instrument in order to punch out a hole inside. This hole will hold the Kurz total prosthesis in position. The cartilage shoe is now ready for use. The resulting cartilage shoe can be used in combination with all Kurz total prosthesis with a hollow stem. Place the shoe on the stapes footplate and insert the prosthesis into the center hole. To remove any potential remnants of cartilage inside the center hole punch, use the eject needle and push it through the instrument. Kurz Middle Ear Intelligence for more than 30 years.